Ready? This is Christopher on the Pearl drum set that Papa Ray gave him. Christopher. Kind of like a band. Christopher and the Shards of Glass.
Go.
Go. Yeah, woo! Go, Bubba, go! Yeah! That's how you do it. You haven't even had a lesson yet and you already know how to do it. That's good stuff. You getting shy? Are you being shy because I have the camera on you? Yeah. Want me to turn it off?